Many of us know the frustration of dealing with slow or unreliable charging cables, especially when we need our devices ready to go. Finding the right mini USB C cable for your iPhone can make a world of difference in your daily routine. Today, we'll compare 5 top-rated Amazon picks, each bringing unique features to the table. Stay tuned as we reveal which cable deserves the top spot and why the surprising choice might just be the best fit for your needs. Don't forget, links in the description to check current prices and subscribe for more great content. iPhone 15, 16, 16E / 17, 17E, USB-A to USB-C woven cable. This USB-A to USB-C woven cable is perfect for users looking for a blend of durability and functionality. The woven design resists tangling, making it a great choice for those who often find themselves on the go. It supports fast charging, ensuring that your iPhone stays powered up during busy days. Although it's 6 feet long, which offers flexibility in usage, some users might find the bulkiness of the cable less convenient for travel. Overall, this product is ideal for anyone seeking a reliable cable that can endure daily wear and tear while delivering solid performance. APFEN USB C to Lightning Cable 2-pack, 6 feet MFi certified. The APFEN USB C to Lightning cable comes in a convenient 2-pack, making it a fantastic value for anyone needing multiple cables. Its MFi certification guarantees compatibility with Apple devices, ensuring safe and efficient charging. With a length of 6 feet, this cable provides ample reach, allowing you to charge your device comfortably while using it. It's perfect for home or office use, though some users might prefer a shorter length for portability. All in all, this cable stands out for its reliability and affordability, making it an excellent choice for everyday use. Basesailor short USB-C to Lightning charger cable 1 foot. If you're looking for a compact solution, the Basesailor short USB-C to Lightning charger cable is a fantastic option. At just 1 foot long, it's perfect for those who need a cable that can easily fit into a bag or even be used with a power bank. This short cable eliminates the clutter of longer cables and is ideal for quick charging in tight spaces. While the length might not suit everyone's needs, it excels in convenience and portability. This cable is best for users who prioritize lightweight accessories without sacrificing performance. USB-C to Lightning cable. 2-pack, 6 feet. This Apple MFi certified USB-C to Lightning cable offers a solid combination of quality and length. With its 2-pack offering, the 6-foot cables provide flexibility, whether charging at home, in the car, or at your workspace. Known for their durability, these cables resist fraying and damage, ensuring they last through everyday usage. They support fast charging, which is critical for busy users who need their devices charged quickly. However, some users may prefer a more rugged design due to wear over time. Overall, this product delivers exceptional value and reliability for iPhone users. Anker USB C to USB C cable. Coming in at number 1 is the Anker USB C to USB C cable, a standout choice known for its robust performance and durability. Ideal for those who frequently charge their devices, this cable supports fast charging with up to 100 watts power delivery, making it perfect for charging iPhones rapidly. The cable's construction is solid, featuring a braided design that prevents tangling and wear, making it an essential addition to any tech arsenal. While its price might be slightly higher than other options, the investment is worth it for the longevity and speed it offers. Overall, this cable is perfect for tech-savvy users looking for a dependable and high-performance charging solution. There you have it, our top 5 mini USB-C cables for iPhone. each bringing unique features and benefits to enhance your charging experience. Whether you prioritize durability, length, or fast charging capabilities, there's definitely a choice here for you. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and grab your favorite cable today. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more great reviews and recommendations.